What's up, everybody? Did an oil change. It's a 2012 Honda Accord 3.5 liter V6. My mom's car, just an oil change on it, but I wanted to make a video quick of how to check your air filter if you haven't ever done it before. You got these 4 Phillips screws, also an 8mm around there. Figure I would just very quickly show people how to check them. It's using a screwdriver. Everybody has a screwdriver at their house. Figure. I'll be making a video on the cabin air filter as well, so stay tuned for that next. Guess that one's stripped down. Okay, well, I guess we're using a ratchet then, so. Oh, get this. These also don't need to be torqued down so tight you can't get them out. A little bit of snugness will do you. If you're using the impact, don't sit there on the impact and frickin' wait for it to stop. That's way too tight. I use a 1/4" ratchet is all you really need. Okay. Yeah, there's 2 on the fender side and 2 down by the engine side. The last guy is right there. Gotta say, pretty impressed with the Honda. Being mostly a Ford guy my whole life, this Honda Accord, underneath it is all undercoated from the factory, and all the brake lines and fuel lines are coated from the factory as well. Thought that was pretty cool. Now I just gonna lift this up. Okay, I guess one of these screws isn't quite loose enough. So I'll lift this up. What screw is not loose? There we go. Alright. Lift her up, then just pull it straight out. Whew. That, yeah. It's not horrible. But, well. Bang some of that crap out. I mean, it's not terrible to the point where it can't be changed out until next time, but I guess, I don't know, I would change it. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but you can barely see air through it, or light. I don't know, I'll ask my mom if she has to change it out or not, but either way, that's what hers looks like. Really not that bad, I guess. I don't know, I mean, all this crap in there, but either way, whatever. So then you slide it back down in here, like so. Just put your cover back on, over them holes, and make sure you line the screw holes nice. It should be a real nice, easy fit, like that. Then just take the old ratchet. Like I say, if you're using a air tool or a electric impact, you don't need to frickin' tighten these down to where your impact stops. Those things are like 200 foot-pounds and forward. Even on low speed, you don't need to go all freaky deaky on the thing and have it get all ridiculous and break these off and what'll have you. And this is hard to do with my left hand. I am right-handed, but either way, you get the picture. That's all you gotta do to get it off. Then you screw these screws back down, and that's it. So I'm going to finish this up, but that's basically all you got to do. Very, very simple. And then I just tighten them down that tight. You ain't got to go stupid on them. But, alright, tune back for more. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later.